took a bite. B for ball, B for boy. The boy kicked the ball across the park. C for cat, C for cup. The cat jumped up and knocked the cup. E for duck, E for door. The duck knocked gently on the big door. E for elephant, E for egg. The elephant saw an egg and watched it hatch. F for fish, F for flower. The fish beat down and saw a floating flower. G for goat, G for grass. The goat chewed the green grass happily. H for hat, H for hen. The hen wore a hat and danced around. I for igloo, I for ice. The igloo was made of shining ice. J for jug, J for jam. The jug was filled with strawberry jam. K for kite, K for king. The king flew his kite high in the sky. L for lion, L for leaf. The lion rested under a falling leaf. M for moon, M for mouse. The mouse looked up and saw the moon. N for nest, N for net. The nest was safe inside the hanging net. O for owl, O for orange. The owl dropped an orange from the tree. P for pig, P for pizza. The pig sniffed the air and found a pizza. Q for queen, Q for quilt. The queen wrapped herself in a warm quilt. R for rat, R for ring. The rat rode away a shiny ring. S for sun, S for sandwich. The sun warmed the sandwich on the picnic mat. T for tree, T for train. The train passed by the tall tree. U for unicorn, U for umbrella. The unicorn opened a rainbow umbrella. V for van, V for vegetables. The van was full of fresh vegetables. W for watch, W for wall. The watch was ticking on the wall. X for x-ray, X for box. The x-ray showed a toy inside the box. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. The yak spun the yo-yo up and down. Z for zebra, Z for zip. The zebra pulled up the zip on its jacket.
Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe, press bell icons.